create any faceless YouTube video, first you have to make sure that you should have one idea. Okay, so the step number one will be to get idea. Okay, like on which topic you will going to create your YouTube video. Okay, so idea is very much important. Okay, now in case if you already have the idea, so that's okay, but in case if you don't have any idea, okay, on which uh, topic you will basically going to create your video, okay, or maybe on which niche you will going to create your video. So all these things, if you already know, that's okay, but in case if you don't know that, so we can use one AI tool that will basically going to help us with all of this. Okay, so let's see if you want to get ideas. So here we will going to use one tool, that is the gravity right. So you can just search for this my-link.in/gravity right, everything in small. Okay, and then click on enter. If possible, I will also going to attach the link in the description or in the resources. You can just click on this link, or you can just type everything in small. Okay, and then click on enter button, and this will going to take you to the gravity right website. Okay, and we will of course going to use it for the free version, so do not worry about this tool. Now these tools can help you for various things, for your marketing, social media, SEO, YouTube. We will go with the YouTube for this situation, but there are other ways you can also take this tool, okay, for your help. Okay, if you will scroll down, you can just read more about this tool, okay, in very detail. It can help you to write the script and all such things, and we will of course going to teach you about this tool. Okay, and of course you can see here about the tools it has. Okay, so many tools it has, okay, like YouTube idea generator it also has. So we were talking about idea generator, right? On which topic we will going to create our video. So that tool also this AI tool already has, so which is very amazing. Okay, so what we have to do now is to just sign up. Okay, in case if you see the pricing plan, so they have free plan, okay, which we will going to utilize right now. But of course you can even switch to their pro plans as well. You will also going to get 7 days money back guarantee and support. Okay, but let's just go ahead and uh, click on this login button. And let's say we do not have account, so I will just going to click on create new account, and I will just going to use my credentials. You can also of course use sign up with Google. Okay, but let's just go with the manual method. So this is my email ID, my dummy email ID. I will just going to go and copy my email address, paste your email address. Okay, okay, so it is just telling you to sign up with the Google, so let's just go with that only. So just sign up with Google, click on the continue button, that's it, and let's just sign up to this particular tool. Okay, your email verified successfully, and just for a cross check also make sure that you don't get any verified email. Okay, nothing. Okay, so you are just good to go, but here we got something. Okay, gravity right, welcome to gravity right. Here you can see, boom, great. Okay, now this is the tool which we will going to use, and first you have to just come to this tool to sign up for free, and with this tool we will going to get the idea. Okay,